It's hurtful to see people being treated differently depending on their level of education. Women who are not employed are often looked down upon. How to handle the situation, Sheikh? Jazakallah khair.
Women who are what?
Not employed are often looked down upon.
Yes, of course. Women that are not employed are looked down by gold diggers, by men who want to marry them and to benefit from what they earn. You should not care about how such people look at you because they're not real men. What counts in an individual generally, and what counts in a woman specifically, is that she is religious, she is modest, and she is a good human being. Whether she has a degree or not doesn't make a difference. Whether she works or not, definitely a woman who doesn't work has more advantage than a working woman. What would I, as a man, need of a woman who works 10 hours a day outside, probably with other men, probably travels every now and then to attend business meetings and conferences and the likes. And when she comes home, she doesn't know how to cook, she doesn't keep the house tidy, she doesn't take care of the kids, and above all, she doesn't even take care of me because she's always tired. I'm not married to a woman, I'm not married to another dude. Yes, I would look down at such women. A real man, a Muslim man, would not allow his wife to provide a penny for the house. He's the breadwinner, he provides everything, and his wife is a queen at her home. But when she works, well, somebody has to wear the pants.